Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add bio on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then in your bottom right corner, click Me. And here in your upper side of your screen, you need to click on My Profile button. Here, click the QR code icon. And here you can see bio. In this field, write your bio you want, and then when you're done, click Save button. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.